ancient, accurate,
inaccurate,
acute,
complete,
absurd,
reasonable,
advantage,
disadvantage,
bottom,
top,
high,
Satan,
blunt,
sharp,
busy,
idle,
blessing,
cause,
bravery,
cowardly,
confidence,
discontent,
civilized,
uncivilized,
barbaric,
civil,
bone,
servant,
Byron,
fertile,
beginning,
end,
in, casus, compare,
contrast,
courageous,
timid,
creation,
destruction,
confidence,
discontent,
care,
negligence,
dead,
life,
domestic,
wife,
deficit, deposit,
withdraw,
desolate, desolate,
inhabited,
distress,
conquer,
dynamic,
static,
defensive,
offensive,
dependent,
independent,
dry,
dry,
examiner,
examining,
eve,
low,
enjoyment,
suffering,
early,
late,
frank, frank, reserved, friendly,
costly,
foolish,
wise,
guest,
host,
gain,
loss,
genuine,
superior,
humility,
spurious, insolence,
heaven,
air,
heredity,
environmental,
honor,
dishonor,
honest,
dishonest,
import,
export,
justice,
injustice,
inhale,
exhale,
innocent,
guilty,
literate,
illiterate,
legitimate,
illegitimate,
lend,
borrow,
legal,
illegal,
material,
spiritual,
make,
man,
maximum,
minimum,
merit,
demerit,
obtain,
obtain loss,
loss, oral,
retail,
optimistic,
pessimist,
patriot,
traitor,
peace,
war,
pain,
pleasure,
punishment,
reward,
progressive,
regressive,
plenty,
scalar,
proud,
humble,
pure,
impure,
poverty,
impure,
quit,
noisy,
okay, religious, yeah,
right,
rational, reveal,
conscious,
remember, satisfied, sacred, servant,
master,
solid,
liquid,
slow,
fast,
smooth,
rough,
strong,
big,
smile,
strong,
tragedy,
comedy,
transparent,
objective,
virtue,
wise,
vague,
clear,
visible,
invisible,
wisdom,
folly,
vain.
gross,
Very good. Don'ts are now, it is synonyms. Okay, abandon, attain, acknowledge, add, anger,
furious,
adapt,
skillful, talented,
answer,
reply to response,
arrogance,
right,
brave, barbaric,
uncivilized,
benefit,
profit,
benefit,
advantage, profit,
fear,
advantage, suffer,
calamity,
adversity, misfortune,
chest,
pure,
confess,
accepted,
consolation,
Comfort.
candid,
frank or outspoken,
concord, concord,
include, comprise,
concord,
Concord में से एकता होता है Concord का
Being
discord.
over.
हाँ, ठीक तो है
unity,
Unity
Concord.
हो जाए
okay, one is correct, but repeat once again,
unity,
प्लीज
सर ज्यादा टाइम हो रहा
बताएगा
सर हो गया सर ज्यादा टाइम
एक पहला कौन बताया था पहला स्टार्टिंग में
सर कब हो गया सर
हाँ देख क्या बताएं,
कंकोर्ड का फर्स्ट क्या बताया पहला पहले जो बताया वही सही है
हाँ,
Unity.
और
यूनिटी और एक और बताया था ना
सर हो गया
जुड़ जाएगा,
अरे सर कंबाइन कंबाइन हो जाएगा
हाँ, आओ दे,
disagreement, strife,
अच्छा,
आप खत्म हो गया सर
उल्टा हो जाएगा वो, हाँ,
क्या पूछे
ये और
क्या क्या पूछे
concord, CONCORD,
सर स्टाइप वेरिएंस
दो चांस सर खत्म हो
डिस्कॉर्ड
गया
का होता है,
सर दो बार बोल चुके हैं दो बार क्या
एकता है, सहमति होता है, यूनिटी सही था, एक और मीनिंग दो देता है, एकता है, सहमति होता है,
यानी ऐसे वो बना
ओके, कैंडिड,
एग्रीमेंट
outspoken, Frank.
Conceal.
Hide. Will.
Very disguise.
Hide and disguise.
कौन सी
Okay.
disguise हो जाना?
Courage.
Courage. Bold bravery.
Conflict.
Hide and
Mystical fight.
Capture.
Seize.
Cultivate.
Grow
Grow
develop.
and develop.
Concern.
Execute worry.
Contain.
Include.
Receive.
Champion.
Victor support.
Commend.
Praise and appreciate.
Contribute.
Divide.
Contribute.
Give or divide.
Contribute.
Destruction. Ruin. Divide or
Contribute.
help.
Support.
हेल्प असिस्ट होता है दो बार टू चांस ओनली चार का सही था वो सही लगे थे मतलब चांस दो बार बोले खत्म चलिए कर्टेल
Diminish and lesser.
Reduce.
Reducing, sir.
डिफर
Postpone.
डिफीट
Denature.
डिनाउंस
Accuse, curse.
डिवास्टेट
Destroy.
डिस्कार्ड
Discord variance. Variety.
Eliminate. Rejection.
यस डिस्कॉर्ड
Disagreement.
Concord.
डोसाइल
Gentle upper.
डायनेमिक
Forceful and easy.
डिले डिस्कवर
Invent.
Search and find.
डाइवर्सिटी
Diversity, variety, difference.
डल
Boring.
डिवाइन
Holy, godlike.
Like.
ओके डिलाइटफुल
Charming and pleasing.
डिस्पाइस
Hate, dislike.
डिस्ट्रॉय
Ruin and destroy. Ruin and
Determination.
devastate. क्या sir?
डिटर्मिनेशन
Determination, fun.
Fun decision. Wait.
रिजेक्शन
Grief. Sorrow.
डिफिक्ट
Depict, sword, portrait.
डेस्टिनेशन
Goal.
Aim.
डिवोटी
Devotee का
Worshipper.
worshipper and portrait.
डिमिनिश
Lesson. Reduce.
डिमोलिश
Demolish का destruction, beyond.
एफर्ट
Attempt. Trial.
इनकरेज
Inspire, motivate.
इंटरव्यूअर
Sir, इधर cover.
इंटरव्यूअर
Try attempt.
इंथुजियाज्म
Great. Zeal or
इटर्नल
everlasting and endless.
Endless.
इरेडिकेट
Destroy.
स्टैशी
Static का joy rapture.
फैब्रिकेट
Build.
फॉरबिड
Forbid का
Interban.
ban and forbid.
फेंट FANT फेंट
Frustrated. Sad.
फॉर्टिट्यूड
Patience.
Patient, courage.
Perception.
ग्रीफ
Sorrow. Devotion.
ग्रीशम
Illusion, hideous and fearful.
हॉरर
Afraid. Terror.
हार्डशिप
Hardship,
Difficult.
difficulty and adversity.
होमेज
Tribute.
हम्बल
Gentle. And kind.
हेवन
Refugee center.
आइडियल
Ideal as a perfect example model.
आइडल
Lazy. Active.
इमॉर्टल
Lifeless and diseased.
इंडिपेंडेंस
Liberty. Freedom.
लिबर्टी इंडिपेंडेंस ओके इग्नोबल
Low, worthless.
ओके इम्पेडिमेंट
Obstacle. Hindrance.
इनसाइट
Urge.
Urge, style.
जंक
Rubbish. Disgusting.
नॉल KNAW नॉल
क्या?
KNAW नॉल
Rascal and mischief.
लिबर्टी
Freedom. Independence.
मेलंकली
Melancholy का
Sorrow, grief.
sad, gloomy.
मैस्करे
Slaughter. Killing.
नॉटी
Naughty का mischievous and big.
ऑफेंस
Guilty. Criminal.
ऑब्सोलेट
Obsolete, outward, discarded.
ऑपरेसिव
Cruel. Greeting.
प्लीड
Plead का होता है sir request
Disagreement.
and solicit.
पार्डन
Apology. Assist.
पोस्टपोन
Delay. Defer.
प्रोमिनेंट
Inimitable. Remorse.
प्रिवेंट
Stop, check.
प्रोसीड
Advance.
प्रोटेक्ट
Save, defend.
ओके क्वीर QUER क्वीर
On distance.
रिगार्ड
Regard, honor, respect.
रिस्क
Danger. Chance.
Alarm नहीं हो सकता.
Chance.
रिलीज
Yes sir.
रिलीज
Free and liberate.
सेपरेट
Party.
समरी
Summary का substance gazing.
सेक्रेड
Holy. Pious.
स्प्लेंडिड
Splendid, glorious and grand.
स्ट्राइफ
Height and struggle.
स्पॉन्टेनियस
Yes sir. Well-vented, natural.
ट्रिमेंडस
Huge.
टिमिड
Timid का sigh and quad.
अप्रोर
Cry and noisy.
वैग्यू
Vague
vague,
Unclear. Incomplete.
vanish,
Disappear.
victory, देखो,
Exile.
Fat.
wicked,
Wicked.
हाँ, spelling sir,
Mischievous.
W-I-C-K-D,
Mischievous and naughty.
wicked,
सर स्पेलिंग बोलिए एक बार
W-I-C-K-E-D, wicked,
सर cruel and heartless
okay, withhold,
Restrain. Stop.
very good, jail, Z-E-A-L,
enthusiasm and passion
very good, zenith,
Something speaking or
what, one word,
अभी start होने
is
वाला
going to start at the third round,
है।
are you ready?
अलग अलग नहीं बनाना, सब एक ही बना रहा है।
Okay,
स्टार्ट है।
okay. A lover of mankind,
misanthropist
a lover of mankind,
Misanthropist.
Philanthropist.
क्या बोल रहे हैं सर?
आप क्या सुन रहे थे? मैं दो बार रिपीट किया हूँ इस चीज के लिए। Born after death of its father, practice of having more than one husband at the same time,
Funny and drink.
one who has great knowledge, great love for one's country,
Patriot.
okay, killing of oneself,
Suicide.
a person who thinks that they know God, one who lives wholly on vegetable life,
Vegetarian.
okay, a man whose wife is dead,
Widower.
a woman whose husband dead,
Widow.
a person who is unable to pay debts,
Insolvent.
a person who hates mankind,
who hates mankind
Misanthropist.
widely known for bad works,
Notorious.
for which no salary is paid.
honorary
Speak loudly.
Honorary.
Okay, a person who looks at the bright side of things,
Optimistic.
a child whose parents are dead,
Orphan.
okay, all powerful, a garden of fruits
orchard
that cannot be seen through,
Opaque.
opaque, one who knows everything,
omniscient
omniscient, a remedy for all kind of disease, panacea, one who lives wholly on another,
Parasite.
parasite, okay, substance designed to make the body or health,
Cosmetics.
that cannot be believed,
Unbelievable.
that cannot be repaired,
Irreparable.
okay, a battle or a match in which, listen, then, a battle or a match in which neither party wins,
Draw.
a disease that spreads over a large area,
Epidemic.
that is fit to be eaten,
Unbelievable.
a selfish person who always thinks about himself,
Egoist.
okay, a person who lives his own country and goes to live in another,
immigrant
spelling,
सर क्या एक बार question
a person who lives in his own country and goes to live in another country,
another country है
E says.
E, okay, what's inscribed on grapes,
Epithet.
okay, a medicine that kills germs,
Germicide.
that cannot be heard,
Inaudible.
that is difficult to believe,
incredible
Incredible.
difficult to believe ना incredible
incredible, that cannot be conquered,
Invincible.
that cannot be imitated,
inimitable
the killing of a newborn child
Infanticide.
belonging to the same time,
Contemporary.
people working together in the same
Colleagues.
department. First listen, then reply.
Colleagues.
Okay, a place for cremation of dead body,
Crematorium.
a man who eats human flesh,
Cannibal.
festival of the 100th anniversary,
Century.
a traveler in space,
Astronaut.
to give up the throne.
Abdicate.
That is enough. Very good. Third, over. Fourth is going to start now. Only homophones.